Hello, I'm Danny and welcome to BHP Cars. Today we are in my garage. Now you may notice that I have a really bad hat and sunglasses on, but as you can see we have blue skies here in the south coast of England. As you can see, the Mojo project's coming along rather well. I've started messing around with the exhaust, but I'll talk to you about that a bit later on. But what I have been spending my time doing is getting my electrics in here, and it lights up like Wembley Stadium. It is so bright in here now at the flick of a switch, so that is going to help this Mojo build carry on. But what I'm here to talk to you about today is my other kit car. Now this is my other kit car, you would have seen it a few times. So we've had our MOT on it today, and it's all passed as it should. I thought I did have a wiring fault, but I was actually being an idiot and simply just not turning the fog light wasn't working, and that's because you actually have to turn it on to make it work. So what I'm doing on this today is I'm going to go around the car and tighten up everything. Basically, that is the job for today. I just need to get it all ready, get everything tightened up to make sure, and like grease ball joints and things like that. Just generally just do a little bit of maintenance on it because I've been a little bit lazy with it tucked away in its normal hiding place. So that's what I'm going to do today. I have messed around with the tyres. I've switched, so these two front wheels got heavily damaged in a little bit of a moment I had on a roundabout a few years ago, and the weights kept falling off because there's quite a lot of weight on one edge to kind of balance out the dinghy. So these are two new wheels, and I've put the spare, one dinged as a spare on the back, and then the other one will just be as a spare, just for the sake of having a spare. So I'm just going to be working around, tidying up, sorting out any rattles, any shakes, giving everything a bit of a clean, and then once that's done, obviously go away, and then I'm going to pull the Mojo out. Now, as you can probably tell, the Mojo's got its bodywork on. Now, I've put the bodywork on for the simple fact is that I need to know where the exhaust was going to be sitting. As you can see, the exhaust is mounted, it's kind of tacked in, and we've kind of got it there. I've got to, I don't know, you can see, where's the exhaust? Yeah, so I made some brackets up down there for the exhaust to sit on, and then all I've got to do is get from here around to there. Now that's proving quite difficult. I'm having a bit of problems with that, and I've kind of hit a point where I'm not sure what to do. So that's going to be something I start fiddling around with today. So yes, that's kind of it really. So I'm gonna, you can watch me tying up some bits and swear and curse at stuff. But yes, that's kind of where we're at. So yeah, stick around, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you all in a bit. The first job I'm doing is greasing the ball joints. Now they are, let me just see if we can get you in here. They are down here somewhere. Can you see them? They are there. That's the nipple for it. So we've got this grease gun, which is archaic at best, but it was my grandfather's, and he had tractors and stuff. So yes, that's what we're going to be doing, try and get the right side of the sun. So yes, that's what we're going to do. There you go, that's that one. We do the two top ones, so we'll do that one over here. Oh shit. It's come straight at the top. Right, now we're going to find the bottom one. So while I'm here, I'm going to just torque up all the bolts around here, make sure they're nice and tight, and yeah, so just work my way around the car really. It's not that exciting. Not that exciting. But some jobs are easier to do when there's nothing in on the car. So 17 is. Oh, it's not 17, not 19. Tighten everything up. 17. Nice and tight. Also tight. Right, so that's everything on the front there tightened up. Let's get the wheel back on. Get this shit out of the way. Ugh. Grease. Okay. Right. Let's get these started. And then I'll walk around with a torque wrench when it's all sat on the ground. I've been doing this for years, so I kind of get a feel for what is what. Yeah, so we just tighten them up. I am sweating like a pig here today. I'm not going to be out here very long today, I can assure you. Let's just nip it up. It's trouble when garages use impact drivers and stuff. It shags the heads up, especially on these bolts, and you get your sockets stuck. Come on. Come on, you bastard. There you go, it's got it. Joins. So I'll whip round with a torque wrench in a bit. Nightmare. Right, drop that down, let's get the other side sorted out. Right, I've googled the torque settings and I've dialed them in. If you don't know how to do this bit, just YouTube it. It's using a torque wrench as a doddle, but here we go. So what you need to be doing is when you stick it on, you want to be tightening up. It has to be done in all one movement. So there you go, that's torque. Because the torque is measured, you can't just do it from standstill, because it takes a lot more to get something moving, a lot more effort to get something to moving than to get it through. So you have to make sure that the click happens as you're moving, as the bolt's going through a whole movement. So like now, if somebody put that on, Yeah, that's tight. That may not be tight. So same again on this one. Let's get it on. So got to keep moving. Tight. Same with here. And that's it. And you can go and check them all again just to make sure, but tight is tight. Well, that's all kind of done now. Everything's tight. I've been over the car. Not really much to show you, especially in this heat. I've kind of just bossed through it because I am stinking and melting. It is probably about 30 degrees today, and there's no shade here at all. Let's do it in the garage, but anyway. So yeah, so I'm going to put this away now. Put it away in its new home. And yeah, next time we see this out will be when we go to Wales. So that should be quite good fun. I love Wales trip. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for me today. So, you ready to see my ugly face? Are you ready? It's going to be terrifying. Ah, that's not too bad. But hang on, look. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Please do make sure you like, share, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video.